the morning time is spent between 8 and 12 running workshops similar to what Jim was discussing there, relevant to the industry. There was some car wash people that were doing some seminars. I believe they do some anti-theft discussions, but getting back to that whole value for members' money, I spend an extraordinary amount of time speaking to suppliers, far more than probably anyone should ever do in their entire life. Sometimes you hear some interesting things, sometimes not so interesting, or but again, you don't want to discourage people's thoughts. But the feedback seems to be a little bit that there is perhaps not the same value for money that they feel that they should be getting. But that's for a committee to flush out and look at, or to consider. But getting back to the Convenience Store Association, these are unique opportunities that, while it seems abnormal to explore them, they could end up benefiting us and keeping at least our